In this tutorial, we're going to talk about what to do if you're having technical issues with List Perfectly. I'm going to show you how to contact their team and start a ticket with their tech support. When you are experiencing technical issues with List Perfectly, the first thing you should do is go to the current issues, because maybe what you're experiencing has already been reported to the team and there may already be a fix for it. So you can go to your icon on your browser and click that to go to current issues, or from help and news down to current technical issues. When you go to this page, you can sort by platform specific or just List Perfectly specific to quickly look for what you're experiencing. If you're on eBay and your images aren't copying, you want to come to current issues, sort to just eBay issues, and you can see right here, it's already been reported. Cross-posting to eBay, no images are cross-posting. Here is the workaround or fix that they have provided for you. The status, general info. If you're ever experiencing an issue the tech team has already fixed, on the right side here under status, you'll see a green dot and it will tell you that it has been fixed. If it's something the team is currently working on, it will have this yellow dot and tell you that it's in progress. If you don't see your problem here, that's when you would open a ticket. You can go to Help and News, down to Contact Us, or to your icon here to contact us. You're going to go to Technical Support. It's going to want you to see if your issue is here, but if it's not, you can say Continue. Then it's going to take you through some questions, and once you fill out your issues and go through this process, they're going to ask you to look at frequent questions about your issue, just because sometimes it can be solved there. But if your issue isn't listed or you still need help, you can keep going. It will walk you through this until the very end, when you have said none of these questions have addressed what I need, and you'll be able to open a ticket. Once it's open, you will be able to go to Account on the top, hover over that, and go to My Help Requests. And you will be able to see any and all tickets you've ever opened. As you can see here, I have had to contact the tech team in the past, and this is what I needed help with. This is the issue I was having, and it's closed. But while they were open and being worked on, I could come in here and see the process. I could look at my original message, any responses from the team, and here you can see that it was less than an hour before I got a response. They are very fast. They're very quick. They're very helpful. This one came in less than an hour as well. And they will send you a message and they will let you know what's going on. Sometimes they'll ask you to share your screen or send a video. If you are not tech savvy enough to do that, they'll help you. That's what they're here for. So just go through the questionnaire, walk through the process, then you'll open the ticket. Once your ticket's open, you go to My Help Requests, and any that are open will have a green dot and say that the status is still open. These are closed because they've been closed and fixed. But you will be able to go in at any time and see any and all messages between you and the team.